Generative AI operates like a vending machine. You type a prompt, pull the lever, and the machine spits out a locked, uneditable final product. That rigid, one-shot model creates friction for working artists. If a system hands you a completed song on the very first try, it bypasses the actual creative process entirely, rather than assisting with it. Making music is an ongoing conversation. It requires tinkering, testing bad ideas, reacting to happy accidents, and actively editing along the way. Google's Flow music platform introduces an agentic partner, a system that relies on continuous human input to shape the sound. To ensure they were building something musicians would actually use, the team behind Flow Music, many of whom were bandmates themselves, brought in established artists like the Chainsmokers as advisors right from the startup phase. The goal here is moving past one-shot content generation. It is about bringing the human back into the digital studio as the ultimate decision-maker. Every session starts in a wide digital workspace with a built-in AI agent called Producer. You can kick things off with a completely vague idea, something as simple as asking the agent to make a garage rock song about AI. Producer splits that raw generation into discrete, editable track layers for lyrics, beats, and melodies. This flexibility lets you reject specific AI choices, like removing an or background vocal line, and inject your own taste, like cranking up the fuzz on the guitar track. This cycle of feedback and modification shifts the dynamic. The AI provides the raw material, but the final arrangement reflects the user's specific decisions. Flow Music also lets users break out of the standard chat interface entirely through a feature called Spaces. Spaces are custom mini-apps you can build yourself. Need a specific room sound, a personalized mini-synth, or a specialized drum machine? You can prompt the AI to generate that exact interface for you. From there, you can literally play the instrument. You can connect a MIDI keyboard and record a live, organic human performance straight into the digital environment. This flowchart maps out how these custom tools fit into a professional workflow. Those AI-generated audio loops and MIDI recordings can be pulled right out of the web environment and dropped directly into standard professional timelines like Pro Tools. Producers aren't trapped inside a walled garden. Spaces allows the AI to act as an extension of their existing workflow, rather than replacing the tools they already rely on. That same iterative process extends beyond audio. Flow Music features natively built-in video capabilities powered by Google's Veo model, allowing users to craft custom music videos for their tracks. Just like with the audio tools, controlling the visual output requires highly granular prompting, like anchoring the main character as a vintage humanoid robot. You can start mashing up wildly different concepts to see what happens, layering that mechanical robot aesthetic on top of the style of vintage French wine posters. The platform then takes those customized visual prompts and stitches them directly to the exact duration of your manually edited audio track. With continuous iteration across both sound and video, one single user can effectively operate as an entire multi-medium production house. For casual hobbyists, this level of access offers immediate, low-stakes fun, like a group of friends generating custom theme songs for their characters in a Friday night Dungeons & Dragons campaign. Professional users operate on a completely different level. They generate raw gospel choir samples, test ideas in a writing camp, or brainstorm melodies over existing lyrics. The engine powering this entire ecosystem of audio tools is Google's advanced music generation model, Lyria 3. This animated diagram visualizes how Google protects existing creators. Every output from Lyria 3 features SynthID, an imperceptible digital watermark embedded directly into the sound wave to prevent unauthorized mimicry and ensure proper attribution. This shift suggests a future where technical barriers no longer define creative output. In a landscape of rapid generation, the artist's primary value becomes their vision, using these tools to move seamlessly between performing an instrument and curating a complex arrangement.